In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog in Confluence. We'll walk through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to start a new blog post and begin customizing it for your team or project space. First, make sure you're logged into your Confluence site and that you're in the right space where you want your blog to live. Spaces are like separate sections or areas in Confluence, often used for different teams, projects, or topics. Creating your blog in the correct space helps keep your content organized and easy for others to find later. Once you're in the right space, look for the Create button. This is usually located near the top of the page in the main navigation bar. Go ahead and click on Create. This is the same button you'd use to create regular pages, but in a moment you'll see how to choose a blog post instead. After clicking Create, Confluence will show you a list of content types or templates you can start from. Among these options, you should see one labeled Blog. Click on Blog to tell Confluence that you want to create a blog post rather than a standard page. As soon as you select Blog, Confluence will open up the editor for a new blog post. This is where you can now customize and create your blog. You'll see a title field at the top. This is the headline of your blog post. Choose a clear, descriptive title so your teammates immediately understand what the post is about. In the main body area, start writing your content. You can format text with headings, bold or italic styles, and lists, just like you would in a regular document. Use headings to break your post into sections, which makes it easier to read. You can also insert images, tables, links, and other elements using the editor toolbar. This is especially useful if you're sharing updates, guides, or reports and want to include visuals or supporting documents. Take a moment to review your content for clarity and accuracy. Make sure your message is easy to follow and that any links or references work correctly. When you're happy with everything, you're ready to publish. Click the Publish button to make your blog post visible to others in that space. That's all there is to it. Click Create, choose Blog, and then customize and publish your new Confluence blog